Alright, that was a test hover. Got the new bi-blade, 5-inch bi-blades. Peanut butter and jelly, is what they call them. But yeah, that was interesting. Definitely going to need some tuning for these things, but I think I like them pretty well. Can't wait to get them out in the field. Unfortunately, we're dealing with this. Yeah, I don't think this thing's gonna like snow too well. So let's do a real quick amp draw on this and see how many amps it's pulling. See what kind of amp draw we got. Just idling the motors, and I don't think I have to say, don't do this at home. don't try this yourself. Okay, I just have to put that disclaimer out there. Let's go ahead and spool these up. I'm going to do 10% throttle. All right, so we hit about 4 amps. I'm going to go about 15 to 20%. So we're about 6 amps. And then that was about 7.5 amps at about 45-50% throttle. I'm not going to go any higher than that on the stand here. You just end up melting stuff. But I can pretty much get a good baseline from those 3 numbers, so not bad. That's the intention. This thing wasn't supposed to be a monster amp hungry machine, but looks like we're doing pretty good. But just at an idle, we're just about an amp. And then nothing moving. We're drawing about 0.25, so 250 milliamps. Pretty cool. I can't wait to get this thing to the field. Can't wait. I can't wait. Can't wait to get this thing out and buzz it around. It's going to be epic. You can kind of hear that little resonance going on. That's the tune. Right now the PIDs are too excited for this size of prop, so we're gonna have to tune it down a bit. And don't forget to check out my my first time ever stop motion video of my new charging station. That was kind of a cool video. I think it's 2 back from this one, but it's pretty awesome. I'll go through this thing on a future episode. I want to do some more testing first. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you hated it, man, you give me a thumbs down. It all works. Enjoy the breeze.